guys, welcome back. I'm Lisa and this is Lisa's Home Creations. In today's video, I'm going to take down the old wallpaper in my bathroom downstairs and replace it with a new one. The reason being is that it has discoloring or different color on one side than the other. So today I'm going to take it down and redo it, and let's get started. Just to give you an idea what I'm talking about, I'm not sure if it picks up, but this side is darker and this side is lighter. So I'm going to pull it all down and get started. This is the new wallpaper that I'm going to be working with. It's kind of gray and white, big print flowers. Hopefully it turns out good. Okay, the second piece is up. Okay, I'm going to be working on the fourth and final piece. One more piece from here on down, and we should be good to go. Okay, all done. Wallpaper is all on the wall. Everything's all done. Now I have to give the bathroom a really good clean and a good wipe down and put all the decor back. I think it turned out pretty good, so I gotta get cleaning. Okay, everything's been wiped down. I just need to put the shelves back up here and the light fixture and the mirror. And I think I'm going to get some new towels and it'll be all done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.